Good morning from National Weather Service Pocatello. This is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, September 9th. The key points for today: we do have very degraded air quality region-wide, and we have air quality advisories in effect for Custer, Lemhi, and Blaine counties today. We'll see closer to normal temperatures across the next 2 days, with a drying and warming trend this weekend under high pressure. And we do have active weather arriving next week with the arrival of our next Pacific Northwest system, and this will bring chances for showers and thunderstorms through much of the week. A current look at satellite imagery: we do have clearing skies across most of the region outside of smoke, and we'll see practically no cloud cover throughout the weekend as that high pressure does build back in. Our weather risk outlook for the next 5 days: we'll see around normal, close to normal, and normal temperatures over the next 2 days. And then as high pressure does start to build back in, we'll see that warming trend for Sunday and Monday with a warmer start to next week. And then as that next low pressure system arrives, temperatures will start to trend downward, and we'll also see chances for showers and thunderstorms pretty much region-wide throughout much of next week. Here is a current look at our active fires in our area. Critical fire conditions over the past couple days did lead to erratic fire behavior as well as rapid fire growth. We also saw several new fires start yesterday. Some of the larger ones that started yesterday I do have pointed out here. Here's Sheep Fire, currently at 10,000 acres, Eden 2 at 30,000, and the 2.5 wildfire at 6,500 acres. Be sure to stay informed of current fire updates and evacuation information. Some of the sites that are great to look at would be the Salmon Chalice and the Sawtooth National Forest websites or social media pages, as well as the ones for Lemhi County and Blaine County. Here's a current look at the fire and smoke map. We do have very poor air quality across much of the region, especially near the Ross Fork Fire and the Moose Fire. In those locations, air quality is unhealthy to even hazardous for anyone. And further south, we do have mostly moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups currently. But be sure to stay up to date on this, and please do limit your time outside when possible, especially if you're sensitive to smoke. These wildfires will continue to bring air quality impacts. And due to the poor air quality, we do have advisories in effect. The one for Blaine County goes through this afternoon, and the advisories for Custer and Lemhi counties are currently going through Monday afternoon. Here's our high temperatures forecast for today, as well as our gusts. Will be near normal or around normal in certain locations for high temperatures today. And as far as winds go, we will see much lighter winds than we have been, with the exception of some gusty conditions beginning this evening. We'll start to see gusts maybe up to about 20 miles per hour, 20 or 25, starting across the northern portion of the eastern highlands, and that'll start this evening, and then through the evening and night and into the overnight hours, those gusts will overspread the upper Snake Plain into the Magic Valley. So do expect 20 to 30 mile per hour gusts with northeasterly flow possible beginning this evening. And for tomorrow, our temperatures, lows will mostly be in the 30s and 40s, and for our highs, they will be around normal, mostly 70s and below. And for our 6 to 10 day temperature and precip outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center, these will begin for midweek next week. We're looking at near normal temperatures and above normal precipitation. So just to summarize, we do have very degraded air quality region-wide, with air quality advisories in effect for Custer, Lemhi, and Blaine counties today, and for Custer and Lemhi through later this week. We will see closer to normal temperatures for today and tomorrow, with a drying and warming trend this weekend as high pressure builds back in. And next week, our next Pacific Northwest system will arrive, so we'll see a very active weather week with chances for showers and thunderstorms daily. Thank you so much for listening. If you do have any questions or comments or concerns, don't hesitate to contact us. Please do stay safe and hope you have a wonderful day.